this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Hairball the Robot Skinner. I've got this little dog today. I don't know if he works. I don't know exactly where the button to activate him is. He doesn't seem to want to work, but maybe taking him apart will all of a sudden make him spring to life. But it's one of those things, you see him at the mall all the time. They do that little... and they like run around all over the place. So yeah, let's free this thing from its bonds of humanity and see what's inside. Wow, sometimes these things are really easy to pop apart and sometimes they're harder, but this one was really quite easy. And it kind of sprang to life while I was messing with it. So let's see. Whoa! It flipped over. Wow.
It flipped over.
Where's the trigger for it? I don't even see where you push the button and it starts going. Maybe you tap on its head. You push on its nose. I don't know, but it just like flips out all of a sudden, and yeah, it does work. Let's see if we turn it off and on. No, there it goes. It's got brand new batteries in it too, so I don't know, but weird. But anyways, yeah, that one was a really quick robot skinning. So is it the tail? The tail's weird. It's just like a hook. I think that's part of what makes it hop. But yeah. No. Anyways, robot skin. So with that, this has been Hairball the Robot Skinner, wishing you enjoyment of your skinned robots every day. Have a good one and bye.